a customer says your price is too high, which is the normal language everywhere, the normal system you hear from most clients all over the world, it means that he's interested in that product. He wants to buy from you. Now, a lot of you think that, a lot of sellers think that when a client says your price is too high, you think that he doesn't want to buy or he doesn't have the money. No. Most of the times, the customer wants to buy the product or purchase your service. The second implication of that 5-word sentence, your price is too high, from a customer, is that he wants you to give him that product or offer that service at a lower price. That's the second implication. He lost the product, but he wants it at a lower price. He wants to hear you out to know whether he could still get a reduction in price. Now, the third implication of that statement, your price is too high, which is very common, and the most important of the three, is that he wants to know more of the value that that product offers. So when a customer tells you, or a prospect tells you, your price is too high, it does not mean that he's not interested. He wants you to convince him that what is about to purchase offers great value that will commensurate with the price. So how do you respond? That's what I want to teach you today. Now, when a customer says your price is too high, is dwelling on price, is emphasizing on price. Now you have to change the conversation. The first thing is that you have to change the conversation from price to value. He is emphasizing on price. You have to emphasize on value all the time. The benefits, the pain points that that product will address in his life or in his business or whatever. So when the customer says your price is too high, ask him a question. Your first response should be, sir, are you concerned about the price or the value that the product offers? That's how to respond. Are you concerned about the cost or the benefits that the product offers? So you have to emphasize more on the value of that your product. While he's emphasizing on the price, you are emphasizing on the value throughout your conversation. As a matter of fact, by the time you pose the first question, are you interested, sir? Are you more concerned about the price or about the profit? You will see that most of them will keep quiet. They wouldn't know how to answer. I tell you. So you must be able to answer that question by emphasizing on the value that your product offers, the intrinsic value that that product offers, the benefits that that product offers, the problems that that product will solve in his life or in his business or whatever. So you keep emphasizing. So you must be ready. If you are a seller, you must be ready. You must do a thorough investigation or thorough research about your product, the value it offers. Not when the customer comes, then you are not accurate or articulate enough. Now, then the second thing, when he keeps saying the price is high, I can get it cheaper, then you say this. Listen to me carefully. There may be many people that their prices are cheaper than ours, but their products are not better than ours. There could be many people that their products, their prices are cheaper, but not many people that their products are better than this one. The quality, the value it offers. The third way to respond to that question, when it says your price is too high, is to say this: sir, the price will only be paid once. You are only paying once. The price is a one thing. I mean, the price will be paid once, but the value is life. The value takes some years. So you, sir, you cannot compare. So you tell him you can't compare the cost to the value. You are only paying this cost once. You are only paying the price once, and you forget after today. But the value, you keep reaping from the value. You keep reaping from the benefits. The value, you cannot compare the value to the cost. So you have to tell him that he's only going to pay the price once, and after today, after he has paid it, he begins to reap the benefits. And that the benefits cannot be compared to the cost. The value cannot be compared to the cost. So emphasize on the value, not on the cost. While he talks about the cost, you keep talking about the value, the benefits, the benefits for a lifetime, the benefit maybe 5 years, maybe 2 years, I don't know, depending on the product. Some products last for 20 years, whatever, but that the price is only the one-off thing. So when he says, but I can get it cheaper, you say to him, yes, a lot of people can beat us in price on this product, but they cannot beat us in value. You see, the mood will change, but they cannot beat us in value. This is the best value. This one will offer you the best value. Do you want to buy a product that will take only a few days, or you want something that is durable? And then you begin to tell him the problems the product will solve in terms of value. You begin to tell him the product it will solve in that business or in his life or whatever. You begin to enumerate and the problems that that product will solve. That's what we keep emphasizing. Now, when he says, but your price, even then, your price is still high, then leave him alone. Bid him buy, give him a warm reception, but I want to tell you, you are dealing with the wrong customer.